Welcome to the website agency overview. To access the tool, go to the left navigation bar, click on Business Center, then scroll to the bottom and click on Website Agency. It will bring you to the dashboard for the website agency. Before we get started, remember that the sub-accounts that you are creating for your client is still in your account. They do not get their own login details. You are basically just separating your account with another account that you are paying for. Also note that there are certain restrictions, so make sure to watch the complete tutorial on website agencies. So right here in the middle, you will see all the agency sub-accounts that you have created, as well as a blue button to register a new agency account. If you have lots of accounts, then the filter option will allow you to organize it a little bit better. That is really all there is to this overview. I hope you enjoyed it, and I'll see you in another.